As a CNC operator, you may have an interest in a simple and cost-effective method to hold down materials in CNC wood routing machines for industrial production. There are several methods utilized to position and secure material onto a CNC machine. These include pneumatic vacuum systems, fixtures, and clamping devices. All of these methods have significant limitations, including high costs, setup time, and space or height constraints. Additionally, large volume industrial users prefer the liberty to stack or cut several sheets simultaneously. The fast, easy, and economical Raptor composite nailing system provides the best solution for all of these application challenges. The Raptor composite finish nail can be cut and sanded without damaging router bits, saw blades, profile cutters, or drills. No more accidental bit breakage from the machine hitting a steel nail or screw. Raptor nails reduce cutting tool repair costs, replacement costs, machine downtime costs, and they increase productivity output. The exceptional holding power of a composite fastener into the spoil board allows the operator the ability to cut more aggressive patterns without compromising accuracy or edge quality. To demonstrate a benefit of Raptor in a CNC woodworking application, our operator has selected an oval cutting pattern as it represents a challenging hold for any hold-down system. After he carries out all of the proper setup activities, he simply nails down a 1/2-inch Baltic birch wood board with 4 3/4-inch Raptor nails to an MDF spoil board. No vacuum hold-down system is used. Raptor brads and finish nails, which hold 2 times stronger than similar steel nails, will eliminate any chance of the wood being pushed around the table. Once the CNC machine cuts the pattern, the operator purposely programs the machine to drill out the nails to show how Raptor nails are bit and blade friendly. Raptor composite nails, the non-metal solution.